About to start to go. And it's off. Okay, looking good. Cougars in control. Look at the help. Look at the ball. Goes up, scores 2. 2 points to the Cougars. Number 8 guy, that's blocked. Out of bounds. Providence ball. Owen looking for Ari. As he looks for pass, dribble, down to the space to Kumar. Passes to Owen, up to the catch. Bucket. Scores arrow. Okay. Providence looking to the time. Cougars coming. Looking good, looking good. Billy Jordan. To Ramon. For the bounce. Providence ball. Looking good. It's Nathan. Okay, we'll go up pass to Ari. Ari goes up the court. Long pass. Miss pass. As Jordan will bring it for the Cougars. Down to the middle of the court. Looking for someone to into. Looking good, looking good. Jordan up. Looking for 2. As Kumar will run away. Providence. Foul. Going up, Providence ball. Oh, looking good. It's going to the middle. Looking good. Goes up. Grabs his rebound. Look at the pass. Makes it. Pass to Kumar. Kumar. What do you do? Down to the middle. It's Ari. Ari lets it go up. Dribbles. Finds Ari. Ooh, steal by Providence. And it's Ari with the ball. Looking for a pass. Block. Get the possession with Providence. Infringement. Scores level up. This is all for the competition, looking good. And he's going. Then for someone for Providence, he goes up. He blocked. Out of bounds. Providence ball. Quick pass to Owen. See, that's a dribble pass 1. Goes up. Shoots. Bucket 2. Only 4 points for Providence as the Cougars have to come off court. Looking to find an answer. Dribble pass 1, dribble pass 2. Read us up. Ramon out. And Sergio in. Okay. Miss pass. Sergio has the ball for the Cougars. Lovely pass down to Jordan. Lays it up. Got to grab the rebound. Lovely indeed. Still in possession with the Cougars. Lovely pass down to Nick by second. But it's all blocked. Ball going with Ari. Providence up court. Looking to pass. The dribble pass 1. Let's go pass to Owen. Quick pass in session. Still in possession with Providence. As he looks the ball. Shoots again. 2. And it's off. Okay, looking good. Cougars in control. Look at the help. Look at the ball. Goes up, scores 2. 2 points to the Cougars. Number 8 guy, that's blocked. Out of bounds. Providence ball. Kumar. Passes to Owen. Up to okay. Providence not to the time. Cougars coming. Looking good, looking good. Billy Jordan. To Ramon. For the bounce. Providence ball. Looking good. It's Nathan. Gonna walk past to Ari. Ari walked up the court. Long pass. Miss pass. As Jordan will bring it for the Cougars. Down to the middle of the court. Looking for someone to into. Looking good, looking good. Jordan up. Looking for two. As Kumar will run away. Providence. Foul. Going up, Providence ball. Oh, looking good. It's going to the middle. Looking good. Goes up. Grabs his rebound. Look at the pass. Makes it. Passes to Kumar. Kumar. What do you do? Down to the middle. It's Ari. Ari lets it go up. Dribbles. Finds Ari. Ooh, steal by Providence. Nice Ari with the ball. Looking for a pass. Block. Getting possession with Providence. And freshman. Score is 11-up. This is all about the competition. Looking good. And it's going. Then the summer for Providence. He goes up. Big block. Out of bounds. Providence ball. Quick pass to Owen. See, that's a dribble pass. One goes up. Shoots. Bucket. Two. So that's Owen 4 points for Providence as the Cougars at the ball court. Looking to find an answer. Dribble pass one. Dribble pass two. Made us up. Ramon out. And Sergio in. Okay. Miss pass. Sergio has the ball for the Cougars. Lovely pass down to Jordan. Lazy up. Got to grab the rebound. Lovely indeed. Still in possession with the Cougars. Lovely pass down to it by second. But it's all blocked. Ball going with Ari. Providence up court. Looking for pass. The dribble pass one, let's go pass to Owen. Quick pass in session, still in possession with Providence. As he left the ball, shoots again, 2 Time out. Okay, Providence 6, Cougars 2. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Jordan to Ari. Ari up to Jordan. For the Cougars as they come down court. Foul. Foul on Savanas. Owen. Cougars ball. It's Jordan. Look at the pass. Pass is to Sergio. Sergio looking for the pass. Okay. going down. Cougars ball, Cougars ball. Cougars ball. Shoots, looking good, inside and out. Traveling. Cougars ball, again. Okay, look at the pass as he finds Jordan. Up to the middle, speed, and Ari up court as he steals, coming away with it. Lovely indeed, making it easy. That's Ari. Motley from the Cougars. Looking to get the ball upfield. Owen steal coming from Jordan. Lovely ball, lovely play coming from the Cougars. Lovely indeed. 2 more points. Time out. Lovely play coming from the Cougars, making it simple and Jordan to Ari, Ari back to Jordan for the Cougars as they come down court. Foul. Foul on Savanas, Owen. Cougars ball. It's Jordan. Look at the pass. Pass is to Sergio. Sergio looking for the pass. Okay. Ball going down. Cougars ball. Cougars ball. Cougars ball. Shoots. Looking good. Inside and out. Traveling. Cougars ball. Again. Okay, look at the pass as he finds Jordan. Up to the middle, speed, and Ari up court as he steals, coming away with it. Lovely indeed, making it easy. That's Ari. Motley from the Cougars. Looking to get the ball upfield. Owen steal coming from Jordan. Lovely ball, lovely play coming from the Cougars. Lovely indeed. 2 more points. Time out. Lovely play coming from the Cougars, making it simple and so scores are all level at 6 apiece. Cougars with some lovely play just now. Okay. And it's Ari from Providence, Kumar from Providence. Kai Kumar, they steal. And it looks like Jordan with a lazy layup. Misses, grabbing rebound. That's Sergio. Okay, Jordan, nice play. Grabbing your rebounds and getting your points. So Michael Coors is 8, Providence 6. Seems like Providence losing a bit of concentration, making some subs. Okay, so letting Kai and Ari out, and Ben and Johnson in for Providence. Let's play some basketball, guys. Lovely play, Owen. Look at the pass, long pass. Good rebound from Johnson. As Providence will at the pass. Finding Zayn, look at the dribble, passing, finding Johnson. Look at the dribble pass, finding this man again. And the Zayn. Looking to find a man, pass the plate. Fantastic shoots. Over it. Seems to be Cougars ball. Okay. All right. Finding Jordan. Jordan finding Ari. Looking free. That's Sergio from the Cougars. Looking to find this man in the middle. But they steal from Providence. That's Owen. Will come away in the middle of the court. Finding the long pass to Zayn as he makes the goal. He looks to shoot. Lovely play indeed. Providence 8. St. Michael's 8. Lovely competition in the first half. Competitive indeed. As it looks like Ari looking to dribble, looking for some help. Finding this man easy. Cougars looking to come to the middle. Goes up. To the forward. And a basket. Lovely play indeed. Coming from the Cougars. Okay, free throw for the Cougars. That'll be Christian. Okay. Substitution being made. Christian out. Jalen in. Clock rolling. Cougars up by 2. As Providence left the long pass. Lovely by interception. Still in possession with Providence as Jackson left the pass. Contact. Cougars ball. Okay. Cougars ball. As Providence left to defend. As looking to come, Sergio, a long pass to Jordan. Jordan looking for some help. Finding some help coming from his come to pass, Ari. Ball open play. Cougars ball. Come on, Panthers! Providence Panthers, come on. Down to the middle, looking for balls, grabbing the rebound. Lovely indeed. It'll be seen from Providence Panthers as he goes up court looking for Ari. Ari down to the middle, long pass to play. There's an easy pass. Lovely pass indeed from the Panthers. Providence Panthers scores now at 10-all. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. As the clock rolls down, Jordan back pass. Over off the play. It is all good. Substitution being made from the Cougars. It's a competitive basketball here today over the 15. Game 1. Looking for the pass. Benjamin looking for some help down the court. As he looks for Ari. Pushed away. Ball. Seems to be Providence ball. Cougars. Look at the fame. Still in possession. Providence Panthers. Look at the pass. Pass to the middle. Isaiah. Lovely play. As Jordan from the Cougars is grabbing rebound as he comes out the court looking for some help. As he looks to go. Finding this man in the middle. Block. Intersection. Seems to be a foul. The Cougars ball. Some lovely basketball here this evening as the crowd is getting larger. So a free throw for Cougars. That'll be Jalen. All looking good. Okay. All right. Okay, this is the first free throw. Okay, grab the remote. Let's go. Okay. That's a bit slippery for him. Okay, ball in possession with the Cougars. As the Panthers are looking to defend. Finding Jordan. Jordan down to the middle, finding number 10 by easy. Hooks, that is. Points for the Cougars. Lovely basketball here indeed. Points from a Murray here just now. Looking This is Ari for the Panthers. Panthers coming dragging to the middle, landing the foul. So that'll be a free throw for the Providence Panthers. Ari to the free throw line. Loving the support, loving the support. Student parents coming out, showing some support. Lovely indeed. Okay. So St. Michael's School up by 2. One minute and 4 seconds remaining in the first quarters. Okay, I think this is the first one. Look at the pass, Tony Ari again, shoot for misses. Grabbing the rebound, Jackson for the Panthers. Isaiah, look at the pass to the Ari. Look at the dribble pass one, don't pass one. Goes up to the middle, layup. Goes Panther. As Cougars will break, it's Jordan. Looks to come to the middle, lays up. Pick and roll, misses. Foul on. Substitution being made. Blake out, Mason in for the Panthers. 37 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Cougars lead by 2 points. As the Panthers will have to go up, Ari taking the ball up. Court looking for some help. Have a lot of options. Long pass, deep by Jordan. As Jordan will break out to the middle. Looking to find a basket, finds his man. That's 2 points. Lovely income time lead. Leading by 4. As Panthers, Jackson looking to come up court. Okay. 6 seconds remaining. Fine play, finding Mason for the Panthers. And that's a shoot. Shooting shot. Three more seconds remaining in the first quarter. Quarter about to end. What did he do? A shot. Doubles. That is over. First quarter. That's the second quarter. And it's Nathan to fade. As he lets the fake, finding Nathan. Finding with John. Finding Nathan as he lets the shoot pass into Owen. Look at the go up. Jordan from the corners, probably the ball. As Ariel coming up court, finding his man. 3, 2, 2. So there's also the arc, getting it saved. Come on, guys. As Panthers will have to come up the court. Owen looking for some help. Steal from Jordan. Christian coming on the back, looking for his man Jordan. Cougars looking good. Misjudging the ball. There's Ramon. Okay. Here we go, boys. Providence ball. Here we go, boys. Panthers. As always for the Panthers, let the ball court. Finding Zian, finding with John. Faking, finding Mason. Mason looking for some help. Long pass. Steals of the Cougars. As Jordan will come down, looking for his man. Long play. Lovely play indeed. Ooh! Missing it easy there. As Owen on the Panthers. They're going to give Rajan. Rajan up. Field Nathan. Up court. Finding Mason. As he loses out. His Cougars on the break. Lovely break indeed. Easy up. But no. And it's Rajan running away. Who's ball? Nathan. Panthers ball. As Owen left a long searching ball. But no. Defended by Ari. Coming from the Cougars. Coming out court. Looking for two. Off the backboard, misses. Jordan with the rebound, misses as well. Thomas put on the ball, but it's Panthers ball as they look up the court. Looking for points, down by 6. Looking to get a basket. Infringement coming from Cougars. And it'll be a free throw to the Panther. 6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Game zesty. Providence ball, lovely indeed. Tired. Providence ball. Looking for Nathan. Nathan shoots. Off the backboard, finding Owen. Good time. Panthers 12. Cougar 16. Down to the middle, intercepted. Lovely. Interception. It will be Cougars ball. Cougars ball. As left to play. Ball in court, looking for Ari. Ari looks to shoot. Up, looking deep, lovely indeed. Ball on the bounce. Cougars ball. Ooh, gets it away. Such easy. Panthers coming up. It's Nathan. Coming up, looking against him. Substitution. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. Okay, Ari from the Cougars looking to come down. Oh, body fingers. To Vince. Okay, Panthers ball as we like to come get some points. Cougars, let's go. Panthers, here we go. Love the basketball, looking for some help. Don't get Barrow, easy. Looking for a foul, but not given. Easy, looking to come around. Christine giving Ari for the Cougars, looking to shoot. As Owen from Panthers will grab the rebound, looking to come up court. Looking for some help. Does he find it? Yes, he does. Ball shooting on Barrow. He saves it. Straight back to the Cougars. Cougars looking fast play. Lovely indeed. Points to the Cougars. Providence Panthers face the ball. Look for it. Cooperate. You have to get points. Down by 6. Substitution being made for the Cougars. 8 out, which is Christian, and 6 in. Jailer. Okay, Cougars ball. It's Jordan. Finding his man. Looking for some help. Finds Jordan again for the Cougars. Cougars looking to pass. Finding running vacation. Shoots. Short. Grab a rebound from Zane. The Panthers looking to go up and gives it away easily. Tevez. foul. Okay, timeout. Providence timeout. For okay. Okay. Cougars grabbing the rebounds. Look at the pass. Look at the pass. Pass is sharp and lovely. Nice. 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 Looking good. Looking good. Cougars looking good. Panthers. Points coming from Sergio. Yeah, I really go. Putting this
Benjamin.
Bring it back. It's gonna go, it's Kumar. Up, Providence missing, it's Dean, go back up, missing again. Is he okay? Good? Good, Jalen? Okay. Okay, Providence ball, Panthers ball, shooting! Bit too hard from Kumar. Looking to get it out. He's with Jordan for the Cougars as he comes on court. As they look to defend. Looking good. Shooting. Missing. Grab a rebound. Whose ball it is? Okay. Cougars ball. Jalen finding Jordan. Cougars. Look at the pass. Look at the pass. Finding his man. Jalen looking back for Jordan, but he's giving away. Jane for the Panthers. Look at the go up court. Looking for some help. He's looking, searching. Finding who? Ari looking for Kumar. Finding Kumar. As Kumar come up, goes up. Ooh! Points that we're talking about. Providence 14, Cougars 20. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in the second quarter. This is Jordan, Cougars, Kalen. For the Cougars, looking to go up. Finding on point. Lovely 18. Panthers need to work on the defense. As Ari wants to go up court for the Panthers, looking for Zian. Zian looking for some help. As he goes up the dribble, finding some help. Ball goes out the play. Providence ball. Okay. Providence Panthers ball still. It's still within. Looking to find Ari. Steal from Ari. Finding this man. Who is that? Sergio. Looking at the easy buddy. Oh God. Finding. Here we go. It's Jordan for the Cougars. As the Cougars lead by 10 now. Panthers, we need to find an answer. As Kumar will come up the court, looking for some help. Looking for the pass, going in, seeing. Points, no, it is not that easy. Have to grab a rebound. Jordan, playing his ball, Sergio. Cougars, passing the ball out. Ari, finding his man, Jalen. Easy points. Indeed. Basic basketball. As the Cougars leading by 12. Look at his man. Substitution being made by both teams. Panthers ball. Looking to come in. This is Judge and this Jackson. Playing in Ari with the Cougars. Cougars coming on court. Bouncing. Looking for head. Fire it easy. Rapid rebounds. As it up top, Partridge up to come out. In danger. Give the ref the ball. Nice. Providence ball. Partridge ball. As he looks to give Ari 1 minute. And couple seconds remaining in the second quarter. It makes sense for the Panthers. He looks for some help. Gives it away for Ari. Don't for the danger. Goes up. For Ari. For the Panthers. So you got a basket. And then you go to the free throw line. 3-point play. Yes. 53 seconds remaining. Cougars leading by 10. Go Panthers. Ball, Providence, ball, Providence. 45 seconds remaining. Alright, let me go. Alright, let me go. So you listen. Panthers, Cougars. Let me see what's going on here between this cap foul here. Alright, finding Nathan, the Panthers looking to get some points. As he has to go up. Shoots. But air ball contact. But given as the Cougars come down court, it's Kieran finding Ari. Finding the big number 10. Out the bounds. Foul on 15. Now Murray. Substitution being made from the Cougars. Ari to get some rest. He's one of the main players. Started. Get some rest, gets in the way. Gets it back. Cougars ball. Goes up. Easy. That's Kristen from the Cougars. Lovely play. Seconds remaining in the second quarter. Hold on. Hello. 30 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Cougars! Look at it go up, Kalen, look at it go up. Still his ball, still Cougars ball. Long searching pass, pointing this man. Shooting! Short. Long pass to goal. Second quarter. Okay, third quarter has begun. And it's time to move on. From Panthers, looking for Zane as he looks to shoot. Shoot it, scores. That's what's going on in the Panthers. Defense. As Cougars is out of Cougars as he looks to try to get another pass for. Seeing his man going in, looking for some back goal to shoot. Grabbing the ball in Panthers. They go in there. Long pass to the control. from the Cougars. As not to go to court, it was a report. For this one, give him his man. Put him in the road. For his man, he's to shoot. Goes up. Ooh, calling shot. Cougars 30, Panthers 19. As Panthers looking to come down the court, as Cougars looking to take the basket. But it's going, lovely passes coming through, lovely players indeed. Kumar goes up, goes too high, and it's over. Time to be good, Kumar, defense. And it's Ari from the Cougars, looking at number 4, Jordan. And the play is on the south. The Cougars. He doesn't shoot turn of number 4, times around the long, Panthers, the ball, and back to the court. It's G.A. looking for Mason, looking for some help, passes to Kumar. Kumar lets that shoots. Sharp. Ball will fall to Ari from the Cougars. And it will be the Rollins ball. Panthers ball. Panthers ball again. Get the referee. Ball. Gets it back. Gets it early. Alright. And he left the back for the Panthers. Looking for some help. Finally some help from Mason. As Mason goes up, looking. It's going down to the middle. Goes up, shoots, sharp. But it's Ari from the Panthers. Goes back to the middle. Goes up, and it's fouled. One substitute.
Hurry up. Hello. Spend real time here with me.
Okay. So it's number 5, Ari from the Cougars. As he looks, he goes up court, down to the middle. Very aggressive indeed. Ball will fall to Ari. As Ari will spin, gives it to Zien. Zien will go up, looking for points. Robert when he will down. Would be Cougars. But it's out of bounds. And it will be Cougars ball. 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Ball will fall to the Cougars. Number 7, Jordan. Finding Ari from the Cougars. Love the ball indeed. Trying to go past Ari for the Panthers. It's Ari versus Ari. Ari, number 5, Ari. Number 0 for the Panthers. As he goes past Sergio looking for some help for the Cougars. Goes up court. Out of bounds. And it will be Panthers ball. Providence Panthers. 5 minutes and 28, 27, 26 and counting. The Panthers looking to progress down the court, finding Ari finding Mason looking to find Zien looking for help, as you will find, he left the dribble to the middle, finding Mason again, back out looking for Ari, back to Mason, as he left to find his man, finding Zien, bounces it, looking for help, and it's stealed by the Cougars, looking on a fast break, and it's Kim, number 6, looking to shoot, goes up. Too high on the top of the backboard. Steal by Jordan, number 7, a key player for the Cougars. All game. Left the goes up, finding a basket, around the rim and gone. Lovely ball and break for Panthers. Zien looking to find help. Shoots. Oh! Tough block, but he goes again. Cougars will have to come and attack. That's the number 1. Sergio, find this man. Jalen Fix. Find this man. It's grabbed by Owen. From the Panthers, as Panthers will come down the court, trying to find some help, stealing from the Cougars, down to the middle, trying to find the number 9, finding Sergio, the number 1, and some lovely basketball coming from both teams. Panthers and Cougars. And we're about to restart the game. Okay. As Panthers look to come down the court, ball in possession with Zane as he looks to find a man, finding Ari looking to draw a pass, one dribble pass, two, looking for a man, and it's Jackson. He has no head. What does he do? Take it easy, take it easy. Cougars ball. Defense Panthers at his back. With Jackson for the Panthers as he looks for some help. But he passes away, gives it away. Ball for the Ari. For the Panthers, he looks to go up. Lay up too much. Spin and it comes back. With Sergio from the Cougars. Looking to find his man away with Ari. Cougars looking to go. Take a roll too short, a bit too short. Ball back in play. Finding safe for the Panthers. As he will look to attack on the court. Finding this man. Blake goes up. A little bit too hard over the way. Alice Jordan from the Cougars. Look at him up. Look at him little bit pass. No make it easy. That is cooperation coming down, driving, finding the pass up to the basket, 22 points. 32-20. As Barnes looking for an answer. Shooting. Ooh, that's lucky. Trying. Okay, Panthers ball, fighting his mind, shoots again, fighting his left again, falling short. Remember guys, you have to grab your rebounds. But ball forward to the Cougars. Cougars look to drive at the basket, easy, like that. Oh, Kelly Mead fighting Zane from Panthers, looking to drive. Gives back to Ari. Ari looking for help, but I have to find freeness. It's Nathan, goes up. Come guys. Looking to play, lovely ball indeed. Looking for man, too hard, a bit too hard. Cougars. Looking to take possession. The out of bounds. That's a lovely basketball coming from both teams. I must say, I love this game so far. Okay, like thin pass, lovely ball indeed. 20% free, get free. You must get free. Get free, Panthers, get free. Right, get free. Get free. Shoot, blink. Concentrate, you have to concentrate. Focus on the basket. Focus, guys. Remember when you're shooting, focus. Try to get your eye coordination with the basket and get it inside. Providence ball. Easy like that. Foul again. Pushing again. Number 5, that's Ari for the Cougars. Alright. Here we go again. Panthers ball. Come on guys. Look around. You have to look around. Focus. Here we go boys. Panthers. Steal from the Cougars as he left their attack. Goes up too hard and a foul. So foul on Jalen for the Cougars as he goes to the free throw line. Substitution for Providence Panthers. Two minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Providence 20, St. Michael Cougars 33. As Panthers, Nathan trying to find Owen. Owen looking to find someone, looking open. It's intercepted by Jalen. Jalen number 6 for the Cougars, looking to pass. Finding Jordan. Jordan down to the middle, looking to find Harry, but it's intercepted. Followed by Nathan. It's steal by Jordan as he goes up easy. Time out. Time out. Still out a minute and 48 seconds remaining in the quarter. Providence ball, Panthers ball, Panthers. It's Isaiah looking for a pass to Nathan. Nathan looking for some help. Finding Isaiah. He shoots. Short. Finding Jackson with the rebound. Left. Gives it away. It's Caleb. Coming from Cougars. Looking to his pass to Amari. Amari. Stealing by Ben. Back to Caleb. Caleb gives it to Jordan. Isaiah Jordan. Okay, Panthers ball. 1 minute and 24 seconds remaining. Okay, finding Ben. Isaiah finding Ben for the Panthers. Here we go, Ben. Here we go, Ben. Find someone. Find someone. Shoots. It goes up. Remember, guys, you are short. So it doesn't mean you have to shoot in the crowd. Try to get free. Get free, free. Move around, they have to defend you, they have to find you free, right? Fight free, right. Right around, Jackson. Here we go, Isaiah, lovely. That's what we're talking about, guys, that's what we're talking about. Combination, here we go, boys. And it's clear for Cougars. Finding Jordan go to the third pass, one to go. Amari goes up. Find the basket, lovely indeed. Easy does it. Hold on, answer back. Cougars 37, Panthers 22. Isaiah looking to find Ben. Ben still in possession. Steal by Jordan for Cougars. It goes up. And it's a four in the basket. Lovely play indeed. Knowing that he's going up. 40 seconds remaining. Jordan will go to the free throw line. See if he can make a 3-point play. And he does. He's confident indeed. Jordan. Oh, steal by Kevin. Lucky indeed. Come on, Panthers. Remember, you have to concentrate, focus. Look and see who's free. Pass it. Lovely. Hold it. Come on, Mason Berenanda. Amari from Cougars. Give it to Sergio. He lets the find his man. Still in possession. It's Jackson. Gives it away. It's Kalen in possession of Cougars. Looking to find his man. Amari turns. Shoots. Scores. Bang. 42-22. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang.
Quarter, we shall away and see from Cougars
In full control right now, leading by 20 points. Let's get back in this game. You can do it, defend your home turf. And it's off. Gotta be go forward, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Buckets. Defense. Cougars, Jordan. Easy like that. Providence Panthers ball. That's Harry. Looking to come down the court, trying to find his man, finding Zane. Zane looking to go past one. Shoots. Ooh. Ball forward, Harry from the Cougars. As he left the ball court. As he left the defense, Panthers left the defense. man. Finding his man. Easy turning and twisting. Looking to go up the show. Gives it away. And Panthers ball. Okay. Panthers coming down is Ari. Looking to find Zay. Down through the middle. Easy like that. Gives. Ooh. Change. Okay. So it's Ari for the Cougars. Cougars coming on the court. Steal from Ari. Out of bounds. It'll be Cougars ball. Gives it back to Ari. On the go up. Fix it. Ari shoots. Ooh. As a grab the rebound. Cougars grabbing their own rebounds. Easy like that. Get the shoot. Short. Grabbing the rebound is Zay for the Panthers as he lets it come to the court. Trying to find his man. Putting it bang 10. Looking to go up. There's no good falling to Ari. Panthers ball. Zay looking to find his man, finding Ari as he plays through the middle, goes through the court, lays it up. Ooh. And it's Jordan on the break for the Cougars. Going up on the right hand side, looking to find his man. He's left to shoot. Short. Grabbed by Ari for the Panthers as he left to come down the court, trying to find some help. Give it to Zay, down to the middle, looking to find out Ari, but it's blocked by Jordan. Out the play. Some good defense coming from the Cougars as they look to get back and defend their basket very well. As the Panthers look for some open play, you have to find someone else free. Down to the middle, gives it away easily. What did he do? Goes up, easy up. Cougars finding basket easy. To Vance. Looking to find this man defending well. Isaiah finding Ben. Ben looking for some help. Nobody covering the fight Ben. Gives it to Rajan. Not Isaiah. Easy so pass in the room. Isaiah looking to go up. And it's Zay looking for three. Too short. Cougars ball substitution. Come on, guys. Panthers, you're all fresh. You're stealing when I go, buddy. Go, buddy. Easy, easy. Easy, Oren. Easy. 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 Let me get it. Defense, defense. Defense, Panthers. Defense. But Cougars looking to penetrate, going through fence. Looking for a man. Gives it to his man. Steal. Not as yet. Fall to Ari from Cougars as he looks to go up. Leo. Still Ari's ball for the Cougars. Ball fixed. Traveling. He's going on a trip. He's traveling. All right, ball falls to the Panthers. It's Nathan. Traveling. He's going on a trip also. Road trip. Ari shoots. Short. Easy. Out of bounds, Panthers ball. Score. 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the game. Looking for Kai Kumar. He lets the shot, goes up. Too hard. Out of bounds. 44-26. 44. St. Michael Cougars 44. Providence Panthers 26. As the Cougars, Ari lets the dribble go to the middle, finding Jordan wide. As he lets to take out one, deciding not to pass. Long searching pass on the other side, lovely. Trying indeed for the Cougars as they look to come. Panthers, down Jackson, looking to find Kai. As Kai will look to find someone, finding Nathan. Nathan looking no pass to Owen. Owen looks up. Tevez finally rebound. And it's a foul on Tevez. But lovely basketball coming from both teams here today. Substitution. Cougars. So Amari in, Tevez out for the Cougars. Ball in play, it is Cougars. Cougars still in possession, Amari. Ooh, easy does it. The tallest man how to defend that man. Play, that is your man all the time. Defense. Ooh, too easy, too easy. Come on guys, come on guys. Come on partners, let's concentrate. Focus guys. Let me go Nathan. You got Blake, you got Blake. Come on Blake. Throw a pass him and go. Throw a pass him and go. Find someone. Lovely. Nathan for 3. Find it, defense. Nice ball away. Nice, nice. Let me go, let me go. Let me go, Kumar. Ooh. A tricky one. Panthers ball. Substitution for Cougars. Cristiano. Sergio in. Substitution for Providence Panthers. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Mason.
All right.
Watch the cut.
Rotation. Isaiah to Owen. Owen looks up. Fakes. Gives it back to Isaiah. Is it stolen? Yes, it is by Ari. Ari looking to walk for himself. Easy miss. Jordan with the rebound. It's Ari and Jordan the combination. All right. Rajan finding Owen. Panthers looking for long pass. Finding Isaiah. Looking to find Owen. Owen down to the middle. Goes up and is up. And draws a foul. Two minutes and 46 seconds remaining. We focus, Owen. Concentrate on the basket. Take it easy. You call these free throws. These are penalty kicks. You must score them. Grab the rebound, Mason, and go up again. Points. Miss again. Grab the rebound, Ben. All right. Come on, guys. Defense, defense. Find. Yes, yes, Rajan. That's what I'm talking about. Find a man. Defense. Defense. See it. Ari, looking for the Cougars. Ooh. All right. That is a straight basketball. 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining in the final quarter. And the fight by 10 gives it away. Playing the quarter and good. It goes up. Move that from here. Very good with that. That's what I'm talking about. Defense. You call that defense. Laces, tie your laces. Make sure you tie your laces. Yeah, this is some good basketball. Cougars 50, Panthers 28. And it's Jordan. Goes up a little bit too short. Finding Ben. Finding the rebound. Finding Owen. As Owen will go to the middle. Finding someone. Does he find someone? Finding Rajad. Rajad goes up with the shot. Falling short. Grab the rebound. Coming from Christian. Christian down to the middle. Ooh, block from Owen as he goes up. Oh, lovely basketball. Points. That's what I'm talking about. On home from Panthers 30, Cougars 50. As Jordan, that's it goes up. Foul on Jordan. Cougars with a comfortable 20-point lead. 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining as Murray, the big number 10. Ooh, lack of concentration from Jordan. Don't to the legs. Out to play. Play the whole game. Come on, come for yourself. You up with 20. You gotta rest yourself in the next game. Easy like that, Jordan. Good game, buddy. Somebody else get to play. Yes, I mean, back that action. Good job trying to find Isaiah. Isaiah finding Owen. Owen, don't you run the back, but down to the middle. Up and points. Both Gavin in the house. Down to the middle. Easy like that. Look at the steal. Cougars ball shoot. Ball to make sure. Open play. The Panthers ball. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining in the quarter. Cougars 50. Panthers 32. And finding Owen. Owen finding Bentay. Bentay. Look at the shoot. Goes up. Shoots too hard over the bar. Finding the Cougars. Looking at the attack. Looking for his man. Close. Looking for the shot. A bit too hard off the backboard. Finding the mark. It's a rebound. Look at the turn. Look at the hoop. Finding the rebound. Easy. Does it. From underneath the basket. What a play. Cougars 52. Panthers 32. Finding Bang. Bang. Looking for Owen. A bit too short. Off. Stolen from the number 4 from Cougars. And McKay looking to give it away, but no, finding the right, the big number 10. But we're trying to steal it. For coming up on the long searching ball, finding Owen in the middle. He left the ball easy. A bit too short. And then last with the number 4 from Cougars as he let the find this man in number 3. Let the ball fake. Goes up around. Finding Sergio, grabbing the rebound. Look at the third twist. Find this man. Ball around in the play. Finding Isaiah for the Panthers. Still with Isaiah as he goes up. Fake. Foul on the number 4. But it's time over. I don't know. I have to meet the officials. But it seems to be. So, Isaiah with that last final battle goes up, fall short, take your time. Mr. Gibson, take your time, focus on the basket. Okay, try it. Nice game for both teams. Thank you. Seven Cougars 52, Permanent Panthers 32. It's only game 1, guys. Don't worry about it. It's only game 1. Come shake the other team hands. Good sportsmanship. Lovely basketball here today. Lovely game indeed. Good game, boys. Good sportsmanship. Love the atmosphere. Love it. Love it all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Blessings upon blessings. It was a pleasure having you, Cougars.